this pink. Child, this is yellow. Oh, for the eyes, I'm going for the eyes. For the eye, that's kind of the same tones. In tone of color. Hi guys, it's Peitee. Today I felt very summery and decided to do this colorful eye look for you. I hope you will enjoy it. I'm going to start with an eye primer. For the eyes, I'm going to start with this blush color. It's like a muted pink color, and I just have it on a fluffy brush. And I'm going to just apply it onto the eye. It doesn't have to be very precise. This is like a background for another shade. Now I'm going to take this pink, and I have this on a pencil brush. Just going to deepen that crease. And take my first fluffy brush and just fluff it up a bit. On the same pencil brush, I'm going to just take this just to further intensify this crease. Okay, so now I'm going to take liquid eyeshadow and I'm just going to apply it onto the eye and kind of cut the crease with it. I'm going to take this yellow, and after I'm going to also use this yellow. This is just sparklier, lighter version. So that first yellow is a bit darker. I'm just going to add it to the inner corner. Dab, dab, dab. All this beautiful fallout. And now the lighter yellow. And I want to add it on top of this pink as well. Like a sheen here. And I'm making a great mess out of my skin and stuff, but it's fine. I don't have foundation on yet, so it will be fine. Now I want to take this orange. It's a little bit muted like the pink was, but I'm going to add it to the outer corner and kind of up on the brow as well. We'll blend that all out. I'm just taking like a fluffy brush and I'm just going to blend that. I'm also using this orange underneath. So I'm just cleaning up the fallout. This eye is crying. My eye keeps crying on this corner, so please excuse me if it looks a little bit patchy on that side. But I did apply corner lashes. I think that corner lashes complemented this look very nicely. And I was applying mascara on the bottom. I'm gonna do the same on here, but it might smudge because my eye might cry again. For the face, you can reapply your skincare if you want to. I'm going to use this primer. This is Hydrating primer. I'm going to use some foundation. This is quite a dark one, but I want to feel kind of summery. Now I'm going to use this foundation under the eyes. It has a little more coverage, but also it's a little bit darker, lighter. It's a little bit lighter than the other one that I was using. It's perfectly capable of getting rid of the dark circles and brightening the area without it looking too glam. I can still see a little bit of my dark circle seep through, so I'm just applying some under eye concealer with a flat brush. So I'm going to do eyebrows. And lately I'm obsessed with this pen. This is from NYX and it's very nice. I really like the way that this shapes the brow. And I'm also going to use the eyebrow styling soap to fluff them up. This has been a new obsession of mine. It's so much better than gel. It's just so much better. It keeps the eyebrows up wherever you put them. It's amazing. Okay guys, my eye just keeps watering and I just made an executive decision of removing the under eye on the side as well. I just know that I won't be able to put anything under here. The eye makeup is so much smaller, it makes me sad, but I mean, can't really do anything about that. But if you do this look, I definitely recommend to put the underneath on for drama. Now I'm going to use some powder. So I just grabbed a big fluffy brush and I'm just going to add a thin layer. Now I'm going to apply bronzer. Now I'm taking the same powder brush. I'm just going to apply it to a big area on my cheek. On the temple, some on the forehead as well. Basically bronze up the whole face. I'm gonna apply onto the nose where the sun would naturally hit. And I'm going to add the same blush that we used for the eyes. I'm going to take it on a fluffy brush and I'm just diffusing it on the cheek. I kind of wanted it to connect with this orange here underneath, but my eye apparently doesn't want to let it happen. Now for the lips, I'm using a nude lip liner and I'm going to fill in with a pink lipstick. And lastly, I will add a highlight, and this is Canary Bling. And I'm just dusting a little bit of this on top of the blush on the high point of my cheek. And I thought I will take a smaller brush also and just add it to the brow bone, just to kind of continue this yellow sheen from the eyeshadow that I have there. I think it will just look cool going into the brow. And that is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed. I think it still came out good. If it would have the underneath done, it would be better, but you can Photoshop that. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up and hit the notification bell if you would like to be notified when I post a new video. Subscribe to my channel for more makeup tutorials, and I will see you next time.